Abubakar, and Peter Obi, presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) and Labour Party (LP) in 2023 gubernatorial elections, have condemned the inhumane treatment of minors arraigned for allegedly participating in the #EndBadGovernance protest. Between 1st of August and 10th of the same month, a protest against tagged #EndBadGovernance was held nationwide, where protesters demanding a reduction in the cost of governance, the return of petrol subsidy regime, food security, and fiscal discipline, among others. The protest turned violent in some parts of the country, while hoodlums used the opportunity to loot and vandalize public and private properties. On Friday, some of those arrested by the police for taking part in the protest, most of whom are children, were brought before a federal high court in Abuja. NaijaNews TV reports that at the commencement of the proceedings, the alleged protesters were hurriedly rushed out of the courtroom after the collapse. The court later granted 10 million naira bail to 72 defendants and removed 4 sick children's names from the charge, while the remaining pleaded not guilty. Atiku Abubakar, reacting to the incident on his X page on Friday, Abubakar berated the federal government for arraigning the minors. He noted that the Section 11 of the Children's Rights Act guarantees the dignity of the child. He said it is reprehensible for a man who fought for democracy to demonize protesters, adding that children have the right to peaceful protest as guaranteed by the Constitution and the Child Rights Act. A nation can be assessed by the way it treats the most vulnerable citizens. It is saddening that even underage children are not spared from the wickedness of T-Pain, he said. Peter Obi also expressed concern, noting that the minors were poorly handled while in government custody. The offense being alleged against these suspects, including minors, is protesting against bad governance that was directly affecting livelihoods, Obi wrote on X. Suspects deserve some dignity, even in correctional home as human beings, he added. Atiku and Obi therefore urged the government to investigate the inhumane treatment of minors. The ex-Anambra governor commended Justice Okwute for halting the trial and saving Nigeria from further embarrassment. Stay informed for latest breaking news and exclusive videos from NaijaNews TV.